Making an image clickable is possible. In fact, we can make it clickable with different hyperlinks in different places within the same image. In my previous video, we learned how to do it easily with a few lines of code. But if writing code intimidates you, we will see how to do it with a free online tool. Here's how to do that. Let us say you already uploaded your image to your website and it's now ready in your blog post or page. Go to this website and upload your image. Click once on the area where you want to add the hyperlink. Then click again at the bottom corner of the text area. This creates a rectangle area that you can drag to adjust and resize. Choose Rect for rectangle from this shape drop-down. Add your hyperlink, then give a title, and choose a value for the target. You can keep it as underscore blank so the link opens up in a new tab or window. If you have more than one hyperlink to be added to your image, click on this red button to add a new area. Make this second row active so we can edit its area on the image. Click inside the image and add the rectangle box to create the clickable area for your second hyperlink. Remember that if you want to edit the clickable area of the other rectangles you added, first make it active so you can edit its clickable area. You can easily add more areas, but I strongly recommend against that because CTAs or call to action should be minimum, or else we run the risk of our audience not taking any action at all. Once done, click on Show me the code. You can copy this code and paste it inside the HTML view of your website where you had added the image. Just remember to change the source of your image within this image tag. Once done, test your output to verify if everything is working. Now this online tool is good if we are using rectangles, but if you try these in responsive web pages, it may show wrong clickable areas in the output. Check this video where I try to explain and solve this problem.